Dumpster rental service in Rosenberg, Texas. Do you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Rosenberg, Texas? B&E Site Services is here to help. We provide top-quality dumpster rentals for all projects, big or small. From home renovations to large-scale construction, our roll-off dumpsters make waste disposal easy and efficient. We offer multiple sizes to accommodate your specific needs. We understand that waste removal should be quick and hassle-free. That's why we provide fast delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on schedule. Our dumpster rental service is affordable, with transparent pricing and no hidden costs. We believe in offering honest, upfront rates to all our customers. Whether cleaning out your garage, remodeling your home, or managing a commercial job site, we have the perfect dumpster. No matter the project, we've got a solution. At B&E Site Services, we prioritize customer satisfaction. Our team is dedicated to providing excellent service and helping you choose the right dumpster for your job. We proudly serve the Rosenberg area with dependable and professional waste management services. Let us handle the waste so you can focus on getting the job done. Call 979-616-6858 to book your dumpster rental today. We're ready to help you with your waste disposal needs.